The brown recluse spider exists in a world most humans never truly see. It does not announce itself. It does not build large webs in open spaces. It does not chase or display aggression. Instead, it waits. For millions of years, the ancestors of the brown recluse spider evolved in warm, stable environments where survival depended not on speed or strength, but on caution. This spider belongs to the genus Loxosceles, a group defined by restraint rather than dominance. Long before houses, furniture, and storage boxes existed, these spiders lived beneath rocks, inside hollow wood, and within cracks in dry soil. Darkness was not a hiding place. It was home. The body of the brown recluse is small and deceptively plain. Light brown to tan in color, it blends easily into its surroundings. Its most famous marking, a darker violin-shaped pattern on the cephalothorax, has become a symbol of fear. Yet this marking is not a warning sign. It is not meant to intimidate. It is simply a coincidence of pigmentation that humans learned to recognize only after encounters became common. Unlike many spiders, the brown recluse has 6 eyes instead of 8. These eyes are arranged in pairs, offering limited vision. It does not rely on sight to hunt or navigate. It depends on vibration, touch, and chemical signals. In darkness, vision is unnecessary. Awareness comes from stillness. The venom of the brown recluse spider is what defines its reputation. Scientifically, it is classified as necrotic venom. It contains enzymes capable of breaking down tissue at the cellular level. This venom evolved not to cause pain, but to immobilize prey efficiently. Small insects, once bitten, quickly lose structural integrity. The spider feeds slowly, conserving energy. In human skin, the venom behaves differently. In rare cases, it can cause localized tissue damage. But most bites are dry bites, meaning no venom is injected at all. The spider uses venom sparingly. Producing it requires energy. Wasting it on a large animal that cannot be eaten offers no evolutionary advantage. The brown recluse spider hunts at night. It leaves its hiding place quietly, moving along walls and floors with deliberate caution. It does not spin elaborate webs. Instead, it uses small, irregular silk structures as shelters rather than traps. When prey is detected, the spider advances slowly, relying on proximity rather than pursuit. Reproduction follows a similar pattern of restraint. Females lay eggs in small silk sacs hidden deep within protected spaces. The young emerge already independent, dispersing quietly without social structure or cooperation. There is no colony, no hierarchy. Each spider survives alone. Human interaction with the brown recluse spider is accidental. Almost every documented bite occurs when the spider is trapped against skin. Inside shoes, between folded clothes, under bedding, the spider does not seek humans. It avoids open areas and bright light instinctively. Fear has amplified its legend far beyond reality. Media exaggeration and misinformation have turned a reclusive animal into a symbol of danger. In truth, the brown recluse spider plays a vital ecological role. It controls insect populations, removing pests that would otherwise multiply unchecked. In ecosystems, it occupies a quiet but necessary niche. Predators such as birds, reptiles, and larger spiders keep its population balanced. It is neither dominant nor endangered. It persists because it adapts. What makes the brown recluse spider important is not its venom, but its philosophy of survival. It demonstrates an evolutionary path based on avoidance rather than confrontation, on silence rather than spectacle, on patience rather than power. In a world increasingly shaped by noise and visibility, the brown recluse spider reminds us that survival does not always belong to the bold. Sometimes, it belongs to those who remain unseen. When left undisturbed, the brown recluse spider does not threaten. It retreats, it waits, and it continues a cycle that began long before humans noticed it.